Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, JustSymphoni, but you can call me Symphony. How y'all doing? Today we're going to get started with this clean, simple, beginner-friendly makeup look, so let's just get right into it. Right now I am just priming my face with my Sephora primer. Now I am going to go in with my foundation, and I am using the drugstore Revlon Color Stay foundation. Y'all, I have been using this foundation for years. This is my go-to foundation. I love it so much. It gives great coverage. I love the texture, the consistency. It's just really good and affordable. So you cannot go wrong with this foundation. Now, I tend to apply my foundation different ways. Sometimes I use a beauty blender or just depending, but today I decided to use my Real Techniques brush, and I'm just using the foundation brush to get a smooth, even coat. So I'm just applying the foundation all over my face, under my eyes, on my eyelids, just pretty much everywhere. I apologize, you guys, I'm just a little bit out of frame, but now I'm just applying my concealer on my eyes, and I'm just using the Fenty liquid concealer, and I really like this concealer, you guys. It's been my go-to. So I'm just applying it under my eyes and on my eyelids. Now we're just going to take our blending brush and just blend that concealer in. If you guys like using a beauty blender, you can definitely use that too. Okay, so we're just going to blend it in until we get a smooth, even, seamless finish. With this look, even though it's going to be very simple, I still kind of want a full coverage face, if that makes sense, so just kind of go for just that smooth, flawless skin look if I can. So foundation, concealer, and then we're going to top it off with some powder next. Under my eyes, I'm using a oldie, y'all. I'm using the Midnight Banana Powder under my eyes just to set that concealer. So I'm just going to apply the Midnight under my eye and on my eyelid. So now I'm just going to take my powder brush and wipe my foundation powder just all over my face. So I'm just going to kind of hit like my forehead, my chin, cheeks, even a little bit under my eye, just to make sure I don't have that, that kind of white casty look under my eyes. So I just want to make sure I just kind of tone it down with a little color from the foundation. Alright, now we are moving on to our next step, which is brows. Okay, so y'all can see, I don't have like a whole lot of brows now, especially on the corner ends there, but I'm gonna go in and just fill in my brows with a pencil and some brow powder. So I'm gonna just let y'all watch and see how I do this, okay? Okay, so as you can see, I'm going through like a few steps with the brows. So first I just started off by outlining my brows with my eyebrow pencil. And then once I got that outline together, I then kind of lightly filled it in with the pencil. Oh, so lightly, you know, fill it in with the pencil. So once I get that filled in with the pencil good enough, I go in and I top it off with my brow powder. And what the brow powder does is just helps darken the brow. It helps set that pencil so it won't smudge or smear. And it really just, you know, just fills it in and just darkens everything. Okay, and it just sets it all in one place so it doesn't move. And so that's what I'm doing now is the brow powder, as you can see. Now that I'm done with the powder, I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer on the brush and just kind of, you know, clean it up. Just going to kind of sculpt the brow, shape it, and just clean it up, make sure it's crisp. And, you know, everything is shaped correctly. Very simple. And I'm not going to do a lot of concealer. I just like to do it enough to where I can just kind of shape it to, you know, how it needs to be and get them even and crisp and, you know, looking as much alike as possible. Now go ahead and blend that concealer so you won't have any harsh lines. Final step on the brows, we're just going to take the spoolie part of the brush and just brush up on the front of my brows just to kind of fade any harsh lines. Okay, now that the brows are done, we are just going to start on the eyes. Now we're going to keep the eyes pretty minimalistic, so the only thing I'm going to do is just apply a little bit of eyeliner to my eyeline. And I'm just using my Maybelline Studio Tattoo pencil liner on my eyes. I love this, love this, love this, love this eyeliner. It's so creamy, so smooth, it applies so easily, and I just love it. So we're just going to apply this, a small thin line, and then we're going to smudge it out afterwards. Since I am doing lashes, I'm just going to apply a light coat of mascara to my top lashes and then a light coat of mascara to the bottom as well. And I do this because I just kind of want to darken my lashes. That way they blend with the false lashes better. Alright, time to apply our lashes. So I'm using the Ardell Demi Wispy eyelashes. Classic, love these lashes, so nice. Usually I apply my lashes with tweezers, but I left my tweezers so I didn't have anything, so I just had to do it with my fingers. But no worries, I was able to make it work with the fingers, so it's all good. Now, just to help give my eyes a little more definition, I'm going to go in with a dark brown eyeliner right here just on my bottom waterline. Okay, y'all, we're kind of wrapping up this look now. So we're going in like for some more definition. We want to define those cheekbones, you know, get the cheeks and jawline popping. So I'm just going in with a dark brown concealer and just kind of defining my cheeks a little. And you see I kind of move my lips a little just to kind of get a more of a visual of that cheekbone. But I'm just going to put a little thin line in there and just blend it out. Nothing crazy, something very simple, very light. Just to kind of make, you know, help them cheekbones pop. Y'all see it? Y'all see that? See that cheekbone, girl? Y'all see it? Y'all see what I'm saying? And just make sure you blend it out really good. You don't want to leave any harsh lines. And then I'm just going to take the excess and just kind of contour my nose a little bit. I don't do anything major with nose contouring. I don't like to get crazy with it, but I just take like a little excess product and just kind of give it a little shape and then just kind of blend that out. For my lips, I'm going in with a dark brown. This is actually a dark brown eyeliner, but I use it as a lip liner. So, and not the same one I use for my eye on my bottom waterline. This is a different one. But I'm going in with a dark brown eyeliner, and I'm just lining my lips with that. Now we're just going to top it off with some lip gloss, and I'm just using a neutral pinky tone lip gloss just to top it off. Something natural, but to give a little color and shine. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it for the lips. Alright, you guys, and we are pretty much done. I hope you enjoyed this look. Very simple, clean, natural, and beginner friendly. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next one.